Hey, what's up, y'all? This your boy, Mr. Couponer, doing a video on how to cook rice in an Instapot. Instapot slash pressure cooker, to me, is the same. Instapot is just a brand. Pressure cooker is what both of them do. So pretty much to me, Instapot and pressure cooker is the same thing. This one, if y'all been following me, I did an unboxing video. I haven't used it lately, but I do tend to use it for different things. So I wanted to try rice. So this is going to be my first time trying seasoned rice in the Instapot slash pressure cooker. So we have here 1 cup of rice. So for every cup of rice, regardless of what cup you have, you will double it. So it'll be 1 cup of rice, which I have it filled almost to the top, about 1/4 from the rim. So for every cup that you have, is going to be 2 cups measured the same way. If y'all hear noise in the background, that's the air fryer. I'm actually cooking chicken. I didn't do that video because I already did a video of chicken. So if y'all hear noise in the background, that's the air fryer. All right, so what we're gonna do, so I have my cup of rice, and pretty much what I'm gonna do, I tend to rinse my rice. Some people don't. But I'm gonna rinse it about 3 times until the water runs clear, and then I'll come right back. So give me 1 second. Okay, y'all, I'm back. So I had to rinse it 4 times. You want to rinse the rice until the water runs clear. The seasonings that we're going to add in here is, of course, my complete seasoning. One bouillon cube. According to the thing, add 1 cube or whatever. So then it says 1 cup of pampa bouillon is equivalent to 1 cup of stock of broth. Okay, so 1 cube equals 1 cup. It's concentrated. You can always add, but you can never take away. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add 1. Okay, 1 cube. Complete seasoning. Add a little salt. I'm out of garlic powder, so I'm going to use the rest of the mixed garlic, and we're going to have some parsley flakes. Okay. Oh, and of course we gotta add the butter. So I'm going to say probably a 1/2 stick of butter I'm going to add in. And it's going to be 2 cups of water. So let me add that. And remember, whatever height you put the rice, you want the water. Okay, so it's 1/4. So that's 1 cup. And okay, that's 2 cups. It looks like a lot, but it's not, trust me. Okay, so we got the water in. Let me add the seasoning in here, and I'll be right back. All right, y'all, your boy is back. So here's the seasoning. Everything that I laid out or told y'all about, I added it. Okay, including the bouillon. The bouillon is in here. It's gonna break apart. Like I said, it's concentrated. That's the bouillon. So I'm just stirring it up just to get it, stuff a little incorporated. You feel me? Alright. So we're gonna place this in the thing. We're gonna plug it up. You're gonna hear a beep. Gonna light up. Okay, boom. We're gonna put the lid on. It makes a noise. Lock it, it makes a noise. Let's see, let me scoot it back. Okay, so this way, as you see on here, let me see. Okay, right here is the steam release valve. And then right here is the pressure. So you want to make sure it's back there. Okay. Then, and it also shows you right here on this model. So the vent is to the front, sealing is to the back. Okay. All right. So now what we're gonna do, and it shows you here this way to unlock it. Wait. Oh, okay. So here with the arrows, when the arrows line up, that means it's unlocked. You turn it this way, it's locked. You see, you can't pull it up. So now what we're gonna do, rice is number 3. So here we're gonna press the plus button. Wait. Lower, let me see. I ain't used this thing in a little while, so let me see. Okay, so you press start, and it automatically defaults to P1. Let me see if I can turn the, let me turn the flash off, hold on. Oh shit. Okay, I was trying to turn the flash off, but I think it automatically default. So we're gonna press start. It brings up P1. You're gonna press plus until it gets to P3. Now you press start. Now what it's gonna do is gonna build up the pressure. And then once the pressure builds up, normally depending on how much liquid is in there, I would say probably 5 to 10 minutes, it's gonna beep and then the countdown is gonna start. I'm not sure how long it's gonna take for the rice, probably no more than 30 minutes. But I'm gonna, when the time pop up, I'm gonna come back to show you the time that's on there. All right, so I'll be right back. All right, y'all, I'm back. So as you can see, steam is rising. Well, you can hear it. That means it's almost up to pressure. And that red thing is gonna pop up as you see it moving. Okay, so now it popped up, the spring popped up, and it's now in sealing. So that should change in the next few seconds with a timer. We'll wait and see. Now that it's up to pressure, we'll wait another 10 seconds. Okay, I'm back. It just changed as soon as I turned the camera off. So 14 minutes, I would say total time, I would say about 30 minutes, 25 to 30 minutes. About 10 to 15 minutes to come up the pressure. And then as you see, it's 14 minutes left. So after 14 minutes, it's gonna beep and then I'll come right back. All right, y'all, it stopped. It automatically defaults to keep warm just in case if, you know, you're not home, you could timer, whatever, blah, 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 whatever, okay? Now, I normally get a spoon, or you can use, you know, a thing to release the pressure. Oh, it smells so good. So it takes about 2 minutes. So we're gonna see it at the same damn time. And the thing I like is, like, you can't even, if you try, it's not even gonna let you open it. That's a safety mechanism. See, I'm trying to open it. It's not gonna let me until that is fully released. And as it releases, that safety pin, the red one, is gonna drop. So it's gonna drop once all the pressure go out. I'm excited to see what it looks like. This is my first time making seasoned rice or rice period. So let's see. It should drop in a little bit. See, it still won't let me open it. It has to completely go out. Because even though that steam is not coming out as much, it's still locked. So once that pin drops, it'll let you open it. So we're waiting. Okay, pin drop, you heard it. Your side. So let's see. Okay, make some noise. I'm nervous. I'm nervous. Oh shit. I didn't realize. I didn't realize. A cup of rice. My goodness. How much rice is it gonna make? Oh, my bad, it's foggy. I'm cleaning up, okay. So this is the rice, y'all. Man, I've been eating on this rice for a while. Alright. So I'm just stirring everything up. Alright, give me 1 second, be right back. Alright, so what I went ahead and did, y'all let me know what y'all think. I think it came out pretty good. So I went ahead and, excuse me, I went ahead and added 1 can of mixed vegetables. Y'all know where these came from. Okay, there it is. I'm gonna plate the food. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna show y'all everything on the plate. All right, y'all. So here it is. That's the other chicken. It looked like barbecue chicken, but I made it in the air fryer. Some more air fried chicken. Seasoned rice and vegetables. Oh yeah. And chicken bouillon. I probably could have put another one in there, but it has chicken flavor. But if I would put another one in there, it would have been perfect. Alright, but make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Mr. Couponer. Thank y'all for watching.